Tom is 8 years old. He lives with his mom and dad. Today is a special day.
Mom! Dad! Come outside! I want to show you something!
Good morning, Tom. What do you want to show us? Yes, Tom, we are here. What is it?
Look at my bicycle! I want to ride it today! I want to learn!
That is wonderful, Tom. Do you want to ride your bicycle now?
Yes, please!
All right, let's go!
Yay! Yes, Mom, but I am a little scared. The bicycle looks big.
Don't worry, Tom. We will help you.
Okay!
You can do it!
Yes, Tom, learning is not easy, but you are brave. You can learn.
Okay, I will try. Where do I start?
First, sit on the bicycle. Put your feet on the ground.
Like this, Dad?
That's it. Keep pedaling.
Is this right?
You're doing great! Yes, Tom, that is perfect. Now hold the handlebar with both hands.
You look good, Tom. You are doing well.
Thanks, I'm trying. Okay, I am ready. What do I do next, Dad?
Now, put your feet on the pedals. I will hold the bicycle. Don't worry.
Will I fall, Dad? I don't want to fall.
No, Tom. I am holding the bicycle. You will not fall. Trust me. Your dad is strong, Tom. He will keep you safe. Try it.
Your dad is strong, Tom. He will keep you safe. Try it.
Okay, Mom. Whee! I'm doing it! Okay, here I go. I am putting my feet on the pedals.
That's it. Keep pedaling.
I'm doing it! Whee!
Great job. Good, Tom. Now push the pedals slowly. Move your legs. I am here.
It is moving. Dad is moving. I am riding.
Yes, Tom, you are doing it. Keep going.
This is fun, but it is hard to keep straight. Whoa!
Look ahead, Tom. Look where you want to go. Don't look down.
Okay, Dad, I am looking ahead. It feels better now.
Perfect, Tom. You are learning fast. Keep pedaling.
Dad, are you still holding the bicycle? I feel different.
I am here, Tom. Just a little bit. You are doing most of it.
Tom, you are riding. You are really riding the bicycle.
I am. Look at me go. Really? Am I really doing it by myself? This is amazing.
Yes, Tom. I am going to let go now. Keep going. Keep going.
You let go? Dad, you let go. I am riding alone. Mom! Dad, look at me! I can ride! I can really ride!
Yes, Tom, you did it. We are so proud of you.
Learning is like this, Tom. It is hard at first, but you practice. Then it becomes easy.
Yes, Tom, you were scared, but you did not give up. That is important.
Can I ride again tomorrow, Dad? I want to practice more. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Today was the best day.
We love you too, sweetie.
We had so much fun. Of course, Tom. You can ride every day. Practice is good.
And we will watch you, Tom.
We love to see you happy.
I am happy. I love my bike.
We love you too, Tom. Every day is special with you.
I love you both so much.
We love you more.
You learned something new today, Tom. You can be proud. We are proud.
I learned that trying is important. I learned that practice helps. I can do hard things.
Tom learned to ride his bicycle today.
He was scared,
But he tried,
he practiced.
and he
It's
succeeded.
a very good day.